YouTube, welcome back. Don1914 here to bring you another sneaker review, unboxing, and on feet. So we're gonna start first of all, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you're in the fits and kicks, you're in the right place. All my OGs, welcome back to the channel. And go ahead and like, comment, and share the channel to friends and family. We're trying to get our subscribers up and our views up. So go ahead and take care of that for me, and we're gonna jump right into the video. I got a couple unboxings. First, we're gonna unbox the shoe, but first I want to unbox a t-shirt that I caught. Now this t-shirt goes along with the Air Jordan Rare Air collection that's coming out, the 3s and the 4s. They already dropped the 1s, and you know, they sitting, nobody really wants the 1s. So I think at this point, I don't know if I like the 4s more than the 3s. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna see if I can put a picture up to show you. But the 3s, man, fire. So let me go ahead and this is one of the shirts that come with the shoes. So they dropped the merch early. So if you go on Nike.com and type in, you know, Jordan Rare Air, you'll see hoodies, shorts, t-shirts. I don't even know if I think they might have hats as well. Let's go over the shirt first. Okay, they put the plastic over the back. I like that, protective design that's on the back. So first we're gonna have that white Jordan man and that blue Nike right there on the front, left chest of the shirt. And what drew me into the shirt was the back of the shirt. Check out the back of the shirt. Fire. I mean, that go crazy. You know, it's got the Jordan 3. It's got the designs, got the pen work and sketches of Tinker when he was designing the Jordan 3. And it's in that blue. And yeah, this shirt is fire, man. So this is probably what I'm gonna rock with my Air Jordan 3 Rare Airs, because I'm definitely copping a pair of those. So that was the shirt, and the shirt retailed at, let's see here, it was 38 bucks, but I think I got it on set. Actually, no, it was 38 bucks. So what happened was I got some rewards at work, and I was able to turn those reward points into a Nike gift card. So shout out to my job for that, you know, getting them accolades. But yeah, this, and I got a size, this is a size extra large as well. So dope shirt, nice crew neck on that. Make sure you ain't got no stretch necks on. Out here looking crazy with the stretch necks. Yeah, let me go ahead and put that to the side carefully, because this will get rocked. Be right back. All right, cool, now that we got that out the way, let's go ahead and unbox these Manieres, man. And to my surprise, these came faster than the Nike app, Nike drop. The Nike, I don't think they, the sneakers app, I don't think they drop until, and what was the date on the, matter of fact, let me check the date on when the Maniere 3s drop on the sneakers app, because that's what I really wanted to wait for. I didn't want to have to pay the $16 in shipping, and, but you know, it is what it is. We didn't know if they were going to release on Nike or not, but they just posted them. So, you see here, releases on April 15th. So, got the Maniere 3s, Diffused Blue, releasing on April 15th, and for the love. But let's go ahead and get them open. See what these things look like in hand. And I'm not sure if I like these over the 5s, Diffused Blues, or not, but we can make a quick comparison. Then put the blade up. Just unbox and crack. All right. I'm on the receipt. Don't need to see that. Okay, cool. So here's the funny part, right? So they got this tamper tape on their box, right? That comes from Maniere. And for some reason, my box, I'm gonna show you what my brother's box looked like and show you how different it is. So this one came from, looks like Social Status. So give me 1 second, I'll show you what my brother's box looked like and how his came. So here's my brother's box, and let's see where his came from. His came from Social Status as well, Charlotte, North Carolina. But check this out, his got the tamper tape on it as well, but let me go ahead and open this up. So if you open his box, you can see in the inside, it's like a custom Maniere box that his came in. So mine didn't come with all that. It's got Maniere branding all over the inside. Got this nice little fold down. that goes inside, and we got Maniere on the inside as well. So, man, they did me dirty with the box. They ain't pull out all the stops for me, but they hooked them up. So they gave me the old regular schmegular box. All right, cool. So, of course, it comes with the slide out sleeve, which is dope. I always love when they give you a little extra slide out sleeve right here, plastic sleeve. You got the Jumpman and Flight on the front of the box. And you know what that looks like to me? I don't know if that's a brown or that mauve color that came on the first pair that they dropped with the women's exclusive. But you have that on the front, the Jordan Jumpman logo and Flight. Let's see here. Yeah, you got a Jumpman on this side where the sizing tag is, and a Jumpman on that side. And let's see here. Let me go ahead and read the sizing tag. We got Air Jordan 3 Retro OG SP, white, diffused blue, anthracite. For some reason that's on here. I don't know where that's at, but I got a size 10.5. I go true to size of my 3s. 10.5 is my true to size. And let me go ahead and show you the sizing link. Hopefully that's coming in. There you go. Cool. All right, flip the lid. Nothing on the inside of the box, but the box dimensions at the top. It does come in some more plastic paper that's designed just like the outside sleeve. And then after that, you got regular tissue paper. And then, bam, there's the kicks. Yeah, these are nice, man. Let me go ahead and get the other one out. They don't come individually wrapped. They're just in here. And you do get another sliver of paper as well inside the box. And I'm assuming that's to stop the bleeding of the dye that's on the suede here on the shoe. Let's see here. If there's anything. Yeah, so you do get a green sticker inside your box. Right there, and size and dimensions. So make sure if you get these from a third party, make sure your sticker has like little slits that go along the sides of it. That's how you can tell sometimes if you got an authentic pair or not. And that's it for the box. Let's get into the kicks. All right, so let's start off with the right shoe. So on the right shoe, you can see here, we can start with the outsole. These are nice, man. The outsole, you can see have that cream color sail in the middle of the outsole with your diffused blue Nike. Diffused blue Nike on the forefoot. You got a black rest of the outsole that outlines that. Move it up to the midsole, you got that sail midsole. So we got a clear air bubble, but it looks like a cream air unit in the inside, if you can see that. Moving to the back of the heel of the shoe, you got that diffused blue right there on the back of the heel. And also, it's like a matte finish as well. It's not like a shiny design, it's like a matte finish. Moving to the front of the shoe, you can see you got that nice, and some people say this looks blue. To me, it looks dark gray to me, but I don't know, it could be a sort of blue, but to me it looks dark gray, or it could be that anthracite color. But you got that running around the toe cap. It's a nice premium suede going around the toe cap and towards the back of the heel of the shoe as well. Let's move to the back of the shoe. You can see you got that Nike Air on that booty. Just fire. The outline of the back tab is sail, and you got that Nike Air in that diffused blue. In the back, you should have these protector right here on the back of the back tab. And on the back tab, it should read, "You have to get comfortable walking alone." And that's on the back tab of the shoe. I love when they do little hidden messages like that, little Easter eggs, if you will, on shoes. So the front of the shoe, you can see toe box, nice plush leather on the toe box. Really premium, nice feel to it. It has this little tab here on it, and it does say, you know, due to the suede characteristics, please be aware there's potential color contamination to the upper and bottom of the unit, and that's that bleeding that I was talking about, and that's why they give you that extra sleeve of paper. So that's what you should get on the front of your shoe. Then move to the tongue of the shoe. We have perforated holes. Upper, you got that Jumpman right here that's stitched in. It looks kind of swollen. I don't know why they keep putting this on here, but I guess it's the premium feel with that stitch on it. And then the leather that's on the tongue. If you can see right now how plush this leather is. Got the tumble wrinkleness on it, and it's plush. I mean, they really did their thing with the materials on this shoe. And even the tongue where it's perforated holes is also a plush, nice premium feel as well. They gave us like some sail rope laces as well. These are like different than your standard laces. They feel a little bit more premium, a little bit more thicker. As you move to the upper of the shoe, you got the all white upper, tumbled premium leather on the upper as well. You got that gray suede again by the eyelets. Got some blue hits right here on the top ankle of the shoe. Going around to the back of the ankle, you got that suede again. And then this is one of my favorite parts of the shoe. Let me open this up. There's nothing on the lace tips, which I thought they would have probably added. But you do get shoe paper. And then as you look at the inside of the shoe, you can see here like that premium Maniere quilted insole. Fire, man. And I don't know if you can read that. Let me see here if it, okay, there we go. Yeah. So it says here, Maniere inspired by street culture, fashion, and the greatest athlete in history. Season SP 2025. Approved by Michael Jordan's signature. And then you have your sizing sticker right there as well. So let me see if I can get that to focus. There we go. You can read that. So even the insole, which is different from the other couple pair, let me see if I can take it out. Okay, yeah, it comes out pretty easy. All right, cool. Let me just show you the insole real quick. Get that out the way. You see this quilted insole that you have, man, and it's like leather. It's fire. And then you can see right here where I just read to you, the patch is like stitched in. Sizing tag underneath is also quilted. I mean, that's just crazy. That just screams premium, in my opinion. And this is something different that the other two pairs didn't have. Fire. It's one of my favorite parts of the shoe, even though no one will see this, but this right here is just perfect. And that's how the inside of your shoe should look if you're gonna go ahead and legit check. Make sure your stitching is in place and pristine, just like that. Let me put the insole back in. Goes in nice and easy, which I do love. Nothing on the back of the tongue. And inside the shoe, like I said, around the heel, you have that quilted sock liner as well, which probably should add to the premium feel of the shoe. Fire. So that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it, especially for the right shoe. Now the left shoe, here's what you should get on your left shoe. Should get your Maniere quality goods handled with care sticker or tag right there, and you should get your Nike Air Diffused blue hang tag as well. Tongue on this one, instead of the Jumpman, has the Maniere A. And that's pretty much it. And I think we do have a different message on the back of the tab on this one. Let's check it out. Yep. So all we have is each other is on the back of this one. Fire. Dope messages. Also, we do get extra pair of spare laces. And to me, this maybe looks white, but it kind of looks like the same that's already in the shoe. But you can see extra pair of spare laces. Yep. Same everything else. Quilted inliner. Leather premium on the left shoe as well. Look at that. You can just see that. That's premium material right there. Yeah. I'm digging that. You should have a widow's peak on your toe cap as well, or toe box rather. Cool. So that's the review. I want to hop back in front of the camera, give you my thoughts and opinion, and we're gonna go ahead and end the review off. All right, so that was the review of the Air Jordan For the Love Maniere 3s. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. You gonna go for a pair when they release on Nike on the 15th, or you're just gonna pass on this pair? To me, I think these are fire. The 3s are one of my favorite silhouettes. That was my first pair of Jordans ever. White cement 3s, of course. So, you know, once I seen that they came out with an actual like men's pair in this diffused blue, I just had to cop. But my only thing about the diffused blue, it is hard to kind of match up. You know, how I style this right now is just I have a pair of dark blue jeans on, gray t-shirt to come underneath the sweatshirt I got on to kind of match that gray that's on the toe cap and around the back of the heel of the shoe. And it is a diffused blue. It got the Air Jordan right here at the top. Jumpman right here, and you know, it matches perfectly with the shoe. But this is like one of the fewest things that I could find to match up with the shoe. So this blue is very hard to match up with. And I got a question for you. So in the comment section down below, tell me which pair are you going with. Are you going with the Diffused blue Air Jordan 3s, or are you going with the Diffused blue Jordan 5s? Maniere. 5s are clean too. Don't sleep on the 5s. They are definitely clean as well. You know, they come in with the Age outsole, and got the Age cages on the side as well. Some people didn't like that, and it's not really a white. It's kind of like a, I don't know, like a grayish suede that's on them. So that 23 on the side on 5s will always knock. I don't know why they didn't put that on the metallic 5s that came out to Reimagine. That would have set it off, but you know, it is what it is. So in the comment section down below, tell me what you're going with, the 3s or the 5s. Let me know which pair you like it more. Me personally, I'm undecided. I like them equally, man. I can't really, I mean, the only thing I would say the 3s definitely have on the 5s is that quilted inliner right there. The inside of the shoe, that quilted right there, that might have just set the bar for me. I mean, that's right there screams premium. That's fire with the insole and the around the ankle collar as well. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go with the 3s on this, but the 5s are fire too. So that's how we're gonna leave it. So with that being said, we're gonna hop into this on feet. And go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, share the channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you took time out of your day to watch this video, I appreciate you. And you know, keep it tuned for the next video, which should be dropping soon. And until the next video, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rock Maniere.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one, I'm so white, this world they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so what this world they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.